Good evening. If we have not yet had the pleasure of meeting, my name is Michael Nicholson, and I have the honor of serving as the Town Administrator for the Town of Rutland. Recently, our offices have received several questions about our response to the COVID-19, also known as coronavirus, outbreak here in Massachusetts. I want to assure the members of the public that there are no presumed nor confirmed cases of COVID-19 here in the Town of Rutland. Any actions taken by the town are solely preventative or precautionary in nature. As Governor Baker said in his address earlier this afternoon, most of those affected by this virus will experience symptoms similar to that of the seasonal flu. However, for those over the age of 60 or with pre-existing conditions, the side effects of the virus could be more severe. Those who are healthy are asked to be vigilant, but to continue to live their normal lives. Those who are considered at high risk for the virus are asked to follow the precautions and guidelines issued by our public health officials at the local, state, and national levels. After receiving the latest information from the Commonwealth, discussions with our public health officials, our department heads, and other municipalities, effective immediately, the following policies will be in effect in the Town of Rutland until April 1st. All town buildings will be closed to the public during and after normal business hours. Town staff are expected to report to duty and will be available to the public via email or phone communications only. Our town phone number is 508-886-4100. When you dial this number, you will be directed to a phone tree that gives you a list of all our different departments. By the close of business on Monday, departments have been instructed to put information on their individual pages on the town's website as to how their each individual departments will be handling this situation. Our town website is www.townofrutland.org. These restrictions also apply to all operations at the Rutland Public Library and the Community Center. The library staff will be available for a book delivery service during this time, as well as providing instructions on how to utilize our e-book services that we have through our library. Our Council on Aging is also expanding its Meals on Wheels program for those that would normally take part in our daily meal offerings at the center. Seniors who would like meals delivered to their home should contact Director Nichols at the Council on Aging for information on how this can be done. All bills and payments that are to be made to the town should be dropped off in the drop box that is located outside the front door of the Community Hall building located at 250 Main Street. If you have any questions on this, please contact the Treasurer Collector's Office, as their staff will be checking this box regularly during this time period. All permitting applications must be applied for on our new online permitting system, Viewpoint, that can be found on the town website. This past year, we migrated all permit applications in 7 of our town departments onto this new system. If you have any questions about this, or are having a hard time trying to find the permit that you need to apply for, please contact our Inspectional Services Department and they will guide you through the process. The lobby of the Public Safety Building will remain open during this time period. Our dispatchers, police, fire, and EMS personnel have all been trained and given the necessary equipment to protect themselves should they need to respond to a call of someone who has either been exposed to the virus or is experiencing symptoms similar to those associated with the COVID-19 coronavirus. I have asked the chairs of our public boards and commissions to please consider postponing all public meetings in the Town of Rutland for the next 2 weeks or until further guidance is given about the new open meeting law regulations that have been issued by the Commonwealth. Residents are asked to continue to check the town's website for the latest information on any upcoming public meetings or public hearings. Our Senior Center is looking for volunteers to help deliver groceries and prescriptions to our senior citizens who are being advised to stay home during this time due to their at-risk designation for this virus. Anyone who is interested in helping with this endeavor is asked to contact Director Nancy Nichols at the Council on Aging. The Wachusett Regional School District has announced that it will close schools effective immediately until March 27th. Please see the school district's website for more information about this. However, we understand that we have a high percentage of our students that are on free and reduced lunch. If you are having a hard time providing food for your family, please contact the Rutland Food Pantry at 774-696-3008, as they have offered to help with this situation. We will continue to provide you with the most up-to-date information that we have available to us as it comes in. At this time, the town of Rutland is not under a local state of emergency. Our job here at the town of Rutland is solely to provide for the health and safety of our residents, and these actions are being taken as preventative measures only. We apologize for any inconvenience that this may cause and appreciate your attention to these matters. Residents looking for information may call the state's new public health hotline by dialing 211 or by visiting the coronavirus page at the state's website, mass.gov. We are also advising residents to continue to follow proper hygiene techniques, particularly washing your hands with hot water and soap for at least 20 seconds, wiping down surfaces, particularly cell phones, covering your mouth with your sleeve when you cough, using hand sanitizer when possible, and if you feel ill, please stay home. Lastly, I would like to take a moment to thank our town department heads, employees, and public safety personnel for implementing and adapting to these changes effectively, efficiently, and professionally in such a short time frame. We continue to strive to offer our residents the highest quality services as possible during this time, and I will continue to meet with our officials to reevaluate the situation and to provide you with an update by the time that these regulations expire on April 1st. If you are healthy and not feeling ill, please continue to support our local businesses and to check in on your friends and family during this time if you feel they may need help and assistance. Thank you for your time, and should you have any questions, please feel free to contact my office at 508-886-4100, extension 2001, if you have any questions, and I will be happy to talk to you at any time. Thank you very much.